Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to get a gadget, the smart stock gadget on your home screen by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, make sure that you are stay on your home screen, and after that you just need to click the empty part or empty space on your home screen for a while until the application start to be shaking like this. And after that there will be a plus button right in the top of your screen, and then after that you just need to go click this plus button and you will gotten access to the widgets. And now you just need to find which widgets that you want to use. So since we want to get the smart stock, so you just need to go click this part. So this smart stocks will help you to access several applications in a row, so that you will not gonna have difficulties to find the actions for the applications. So you just need to go click at this widget, and you can also customize the position of this widget on your home screen. And if you're already satisfied with the position, go click done. And this is what smart stock works for you. So you can slide the smart stock into the upper side to looking for the actions that you want to use. So that's the way how to add a smart stock on your home screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.